so he'll recite all the petas.
No, I don't.
What?
Obviously, I don't know which one you're talking about right now.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. So we started from Hyderabad. We took a big halt at Vijayawada, so it took us long to reach the Chirala beach. So from Vijayawada also it took us about 2.5 hours. We looked around for Pulguru, we couldn't find them anywhere. So we stopped by a dosa place near the toll plaza, and it was so good. Felt like wow, I'm in Andhra. And from there. After you cross Bapatla town, the roads are a little dark, so I would definitely suggest you reach before sunset itself, because it's pitch dark, especially the last 10-15 minutes towards the resort. So we reached the resort a little bit late, and this property is actually very beautiful. These are individual villas, and they're like quite luxurious and really big, so it's perfect for like family getaway. And yeah, it's about 10 minutes walk from here to the beach. They have a private beach, but the beachfront property is still under construction. So from the villas, it still takes about 10 minutes walk, or you can go by one of those golf carts or your car. So this property is 1 bedroom villa. They also have other options. Here's a quick room tour. You can see like it's a lounge and sitting area and a room, and the bathroom is also like very big. Quite well maintained resort, I must say. Outside the villa also there's a lot of greenery, a very beautiful garden, and these are like in a row. So it's very safe, but also you have a little bit of privacy. The only thing to keep in mind is you may not get food after a point in the night, so you'll have to pre-order. After dinner you may not be able to order desserts or anything else a little late in the night. So this is the view in the daytime. A very beautiful property. If you're looking for something a little luxurious and to come by with your family, this is great. There's a lot of other options too, which are close to the beach, but this one, I think the beach is very, very clean because it's a private beach. So they have breakfast buffet and lunch buffet as well. The food is quite good. The food area faces the pool, and the pool is again very well maintained. Very nice space to come with your family or friends or even kids. There's not a lot to do. The resort is very beautiful. It is a little sultry, but we went during a little before Sankranti, so it was still very cold and breezy. I think normally it is a little sultry, so you can just spend your time a little bit around in the resort. But again, there's not too much to do except for the beach. So we spent the entire day at beach, and it was quite breezy. If you sit like under a tree, it's quite nice and chilly. It was not really sunny. So this is the beach. You can see it's super clean. You'll almost wonder if you are in India or if you're in Andhra or anywhere here, because it's like very beautiful, clean, and in the day there's not many people. By evening it gets a little crowded. A very beautiful beach. You can do like photo shoots and all that. And this beach area, it's the resort's private beach. They even hold weddings or private parties here, so that's also a very good option. We just sat all day on the beach, and it was just so beautiful. not even sunny, you guys. And it's so beautiful and breezy, and there's like cool breeze, and you can just go back to the resort for lunch. It's a great place. It's so pleasant and so serene, and it's such a clean beach. So definitely a must visit, especially because right now it's the winter. It's been quite chilly. Looks so pleasant and beautiful. This is in the evening. It's about 5, I think. These are the single room villas. They have also 2 bedroom villas and triple bedroom villas. So if you come with family or set, this place is amazing. This one has like one lounge, like hall area, and one bedroom and washroom and dresser. And there's chairs inside which you can bring out and like put them here on the patio or even here near the garden. And there is little bit gap, so it has that privacy. And also if you're coming with your family, it's like feeling safe and it's really good. I think it's also pet friendly, so I think that's also a very good advantage. I've seen a couple of pets here in the resort, so if you bring your pet also, it's great. It's so close to the beach, so you can spend your time around on the beach all day. Because of the winter season, it's actually quite pleasant. Even during the day it was not sunny, and now it was just getting a little crowded and we just got back here. You can even check out the other beaches, they're also close by. We haven't been to the other ones, probably tomorrow. The only thing is that after this, this ends here. It does not lead to the beach or anything, so you have to get out of this area. And there's one more property that they're coming up with, which I think is in being taken over by ITC, or it's in collaboration with ITC. So that is going to be a beachfront property, I believe, but it's about 5 to 10 minutes walk from here. I haven't been to the other beaches. This is my first time here in Chirala or even Bapatla. So the other beaches apparently are a little crowded, but Harita Resort is right on the beach. So properties might vary. This one is like a luxurious villa kind of a property. It's very beautiful, as you can see, and even the resort is really good. The swimming pool, everything, it's very well maintained, and the food is also really good. So yeah, we just got back because it was getting really crowded. It's around 9 p.m. and after dinner we did plan to go back to the beach. There's actually some event going on at the beach also, but like super tired, but it's very pleasant here because again of the winter season, it's not at all sultry. It's quite nice and breezy. And that's the area which has the restaurant and the pool and all that. This was our second day in the resort. The food again is pretty good. If you go a little late, they may not have all the varieties, but in general, the food is good. Then we went out to see the other beaches, but it was not a great experience because everything, because fishermen get out their boats here. It was quite smelly, and I'm a vegetarian, so there was no point of like checking out the seafood also. So that was a flop. But throughout the drive, the view is very beautiful. You'll see a lot of beautiful fields, and then of course we got back for lunch and just headed back to the beach again. Quite a sunny day today. In Chirala or like in the resort also it's quite sunny, but if you go to the beach there's like really cool breeze. Though it is super sunny, if you go to the beach the waves and the pleasant breeze is really beautiful. We were sitting under a tree all day yesterday and it was a little similar. Today I think it's a little more sunny, but there's fresh breeze there, so there's cool breeze. So that's actually better than being here is stuck inside the rooms. It doesn't make sense even though there's AC. And here it is very very sunny, so you can't really do much on the in the resort somewhere here. So I think the beach is the best place. It's quite breezy if you sit under the trees especially. I'll show you guys how it looks there. So I was telling you guys it's going to be super breezy. Here it's breezy. It's actually the cold breeze in spite of it being a little sunny. And now it's almost 4:30, but even at 1 p.m. it was still like this. It was quite breezy. You can just request the hotel people to drop you off, and they drop you off in a golf cart. So, or you can even walk. It's hardly like a 10-minute walk. Those are the swings behind me. It's more of the beach. People have even requested to put up a table. Yesterday also there was like a party going on, so they've set up tables right here on the beach over there. So you can even ask for that, request them, and probably pay accordingly. It's about 6 o'clock now, so it's getting a little crowded on the beach. You can see a lot of people now, but the sun is setting. It looks so beautiful. And now it's getting a little chillier also. The breeze here is amazing and the water is so clean. I'm not sure if it's the same at Surya Lanka beach, but this is the private beach of the resort, I think, so that's why it's very clean. And we went to Bodarevu and the other ones, I think Ramachandrapuram, some other beach close by. I'll put the name here. There also it was very smelly because the fishermen put their boats here. From here also there are few people who just taking their boats for fishing. But Here it's very fresh and clear water and it's very beautiful. Just look at the sunset. You can absolutely enjoy this view. And I've seen a lot of kids playing around, so it's very family friendly, perfect weekend getaway. క్లాత్ మార్కెట్ మహాత్మా గాంధీ మార్కెట్కి వెళ్దాం అని అనుకున్నా ఇవాళ సండే. సో క్లోజ్డ్గా ఉంటుందని ఆలోచిస్తున్నా, బట్ సంక్రాంతి కాబట్టి ఇట్ మైట్ బి ఓపెన్ అని సమ్ ఆఫ్ యూ గైస్ వర్ టెల్లింగ్ మీ లోకల్గా ఇక్కడ, బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్. సో నేను వెళ్ళి ట్రై చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. ఐ విల్ లెట్ యూ గైస్ నో. In the evening, I just headed out to the town. I wanted to experience the local culture, so I went and checked out this bajji, Pullayah Bajji, which a lot of you guys suggested on Instagram. We just came to Chirala into the town because I wanted to try Mirchi Bajji. I've seen that there were some famous Mirchi Bajji places, so I wanted to try that. And I think badam milk is also famous. I'm going to find something. So they had two varieties of bhajis, the usual one, and there was one mirchi bhaji which was probably made from the punugulu batter. I'm not very sure. That one was really good. I like that better than the usual mirchi bhaji. And then we also tried the badam milk, which I again heard is very famous. And I tried some local food. The badam milk was delicious. I tried two different ones. The pink one was okay. The usual badam milk was very nice. I really wanted to go to the cloth market as well because there's a wholesale market here. But today is Sunday and yesterday I was just chilling on the beach. So I was not able to go. Hopefully some other time. Yeah, it's too bad. So that is it. That was a 2-day weekend trip. We extended it by a day actually because we loved the beach so much. Well, it was so neat and the breeze was amazing. Such a relaxing time. So we extended our trip by a day, and this was the last day. So we just drove back, and on the way, of course, we had to stop at Vijayawada for food, and this was at Crossroads. Some yummy food, and then we got back to Hyderabad. That was it for the vlog. That was our Chirala weekend trip. I would highly recommend this, especially if you're looking for a quick getaway from Hyderabad or Vijayawada or anywhere in the surroundings, and if you're looking for a clean beach. It's amazing experience, definitely must try. We'll leave all the details in the description. I think the room cost and everything, you'll find them on booking.com, but I'll leave them in the description box. Check them out. So that is it for this vlog, you guys. I hope you found this useful. Check out the description box, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle right here. Do check it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.